Hey folks, and welcome to the latest video in the Rhapsody Power Pack series. I'm Andy Lapping, and in this video I'll show you how to generate a digital ICD. Interface Control Documents, or ICDs, are an essential part of systems engineering, outlining the interfaces between systems or subsystems along with their inputs and outputs. But producing them and maintaining them can be a bit of a chore. Either you do that manually, or you end up designing potentially very complex document generation templates for tools like IBM Publishing. The Power Pack makes it easy. Now, this helper was featured in a webinar on interface management by Dr. Michael Yastrom of Formal Mind, so do check that out. You'll find a link in the description below. Here in Rhapsody, we have a sample model built using SysML and the Harmony MBE workflow. Now, you don't have to be using Harmony. We can generate an ICD for any level of architecture and any workflow. The Power Pack ICD Generator only cares about two things: connectors and proxy ports. This diagram shows the functional architecture for this model, where we have various connectors connecting various proxy ports. Now, proxy ports are typed by interface blocks, contracts that detail their inputs and outputs. Some of these interface blocks contain event receptions and others contain flow properties. Let's generate an ICD from the functional analysis package using the menu Power Pack, Reporting Tools, Generate ICD. Now, all of the connectors found anywhere in that package recursively now form the basis for the ICD generation. Now, that is a digital ICD in that it is in the form of a HTML report rather than a document like a PDF. Now, you can of course choose where that report is generated, and just like all of the other reporting tools in the Power Pack, you can decide if it opens automatically inside Rhapsody or in an external web browser like this one. That report has three tabs. Sent Items collects all of the event receptions, the flow properties and the operations in the interface blocks, and it groups them by their sender. For example, here we can see that the ADAS functional block sends 10 items, 5 to the display and 5 to the speed system. On the details page, we can see all of those items, along with the ports through which they are sent and received, the contract that encapsulates them, and even any requirements that are traced to them. Now, all of these are of course navigable back into the Rhapsody model. The Diagrams tab collects all of the diagrams that contain references to the proxy ports, and of course these are also navigable back to Rhapsody. Lastly, the Interface tab lists all of the interface blocks used as contracts for the proxy ports, and selecting one will list all of its items along with the direction and, in the case of flow properties, their type, all again easily navigable back into the model. So there you have it, a digital interface control document that will make it much easier for all parties involved to have a clear understanding of how these components communicate and function together. Well, that's it for this video. Over the course of the series, we'll explore the rest of the Rhapsody Power Pack features that will greatly improve your Rhapsody user experience. So please do subscribe if you want to be notified as those videos get published. But for now, thanks for watching.